We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see about the clipper circuit. What is clipper circuit? The circuit that we use to clip or remove some part of the applied input signal are known as the clipper circuit. This circuit are also known as limiters and slicer. And these are basically wave shaping circuit. These are used to protect electronic device from over voltages. So these clipper circuit are used for the voltage protector. As we know that electronic circuit are voltage sensor, and if high voltage is applied to it, then it is totally destruction of the device. So before applying the voltage to electronic device, we provide the clipper circuit so as to reduce the amplitude of the applied voltage. Here two types of clipper circuit. First one is series clipper circuit and second is parallel clipper circuit. What is series clipper circuit? If the diode is in series with the load, then it is called series clipper circuit. Here this diode is in series with the load. Here we are connected load, so diode is in series. So this circuit are series clipper circuit. There are 4 cases of this series clipper circuit. First one is series positive clipper circuit, series negative clipper circuit, and then third case is series positive with biasing, and fourth one is series negative with biasing. One by one we are discussing. First one is series positive clipper circuit. In that what happen, when a positive cycle is applied, so during this positive cycle this input terminal is plus and this input terminal is minus. So the diode is in reverse bias because this positive terminal is connected with cathode minus and minus is connected with anode positive. So this diode is in reverse bias. So due to this diode is as open switch, so no current flowing through this diode. So the output voltage for this positive cycle is 0. Okay, so during this 0 to pi duration, the output voltage is 0. Now for negative cycle, what happened? This input terminal, for this negative cycle, input terminal, this input terminal is minus, this input terminal is plus. So the diode is in forward bias because minus connected to minus and plus positive connected with positive. So the diode is in forward bias. So this diode, which is act as a closed switch, and this short, so current flowing through this diode. Okay, so output voltage which is equal to the input voltage, and so for negative cycle we get output like this. So in that the positive portion of the input signal which is skipped, so it is called positive clipper circuit. Okay, now next second one is series negative circuit. In series negative circuit, when positive, during this positive cycle, this terminal is plus, this terminal is minus. So what happened? The diode is in forward bias because positive connected positive and negative. So diode is in forward bias. So this diode act as a short. This diode is act as a short and closed switch. So current flowing through this diode. So output voltage which is equal to the input voltage. So output voltage which is equal to the input voltage. And for negative cycle, what happened? This terminal is minus, this terminal is plus. So the diode is, this terminal is minus, this terminal is plus. So diode is in reverse bias. So diode act as a open switch. so no current flowing through this diode, so output voltage which is equal to 0. So for this negative cycle, output voltage is 0. So in that, negative portion of this input signal is skipped, so it is called negative clipper circuit. Okay, now third case is series positive clipper circuit with biasing. That means here external voltage, external DC voltage is connected. Okay, so it is called biasing, with biasing. Okay, in that what happen, when positive cycle is applied, during this positive cycle the diode is in reverse bias. Okay, so diode is in reverse bias, and due to this battery, this plus terminal is connected with positive and negative is connected with negative. So due to this battery, diode is in forward bias, and due to applied voltage, diode is in reverse bias. So what happen, the voltage is higher, if this battery voltage is higher than this battery voltage V, which is greater than V in, then what happen, at this condition, V which is greater than V in, then this battery causes to this diode is in forward bias, so current flowing through it. Okay, so when battery voltage which is greater than input voltage, then what happen, we get output like this. Okay, now what happen, now the input voltage is higher than the battery voltage, then V which is greater than V in which is greater than V, then what happen, this input voltage, due to this input voltage, we know that diode is in reverse bias, so no current flowing through it. Okay, so this diode is open switch. Okay, so at that time the output voltage which is equal to the battery voltage, and which is equal to the V, so we get output is V. Okay, so now again the input voltage is decreased, so battery voltage is again higher, so the diode is in forward bias. Okay, so that the current flowing through it, so again we get output for this positive cycle. So at the so in these cases, the some portion of this positive cycle is skipped. Okay, like this, and now let's move further for negative cycle. For negative cycle, this terminal is minus, this terminal is plus, so this diode is in forward bias, and this is closed circuit. Diode is act as a closed circuit, so current flowing through it, and due to this battery also diode is in forward bias, so for both condition diode is in forward bias, so current flowing through it, so output voltage which is equal to the input voltage. So for this negative cycle, output voltage which is equal to the input voltage as it is. Okay, so this is called the series positive circuit with biasing. Okay, now fourth case is series negative clipper circuit with biasing. In that the direction of the diode is changed, and also we change the direction of battery. Okay, in that what happened, the operations of this case is, during this positive cycle, this terminal is plus, this terminal is minus, so positive connected with anode, so the diode is in forward bias due to this applied voltage, and due to this battery minus connected with minus, so due to this battery also diode is in forward bias, so this diode is short and it act as a closed switch. Okay, so what happened, the current flowing through this diode. Okay, so output voltage which is equal to the input voltage, so for positive cycle we get output which is equal to the input voltage. Okay, now let's move further for the negative cycle. If negative cycle is applied, then this terminal is minus, this terminal is plus, so diode is in reverse bias. Due to this applied voltage, diode is in reverse bias, and due to this battery, diode is in forward bias. Okay, so what happen when this battery voltage is greater than input voltage, then current flowing through it. Okay, so we get output. Okay, now if this battery voltage is if input voltage is greater than this battery voltage, then what happen, the diode is in reverse bias, and this input voltage forced to making this diode to reverse bias. So at that time this diode is act as a open switch, so we get output is battery voltage. Okay, so output voltage is equal to the battery voltage, so at that time we get output like this. Okay, again the input voltage is decreased. Okay, input voltage is decreased, so due to this battery, diode is in forward bias, so we get output like this. Okay, in that also the negative portion of the in the negative cycle, negative portion are skipped. Okay, some portion of the negative cycle is skipped, so it is called as negative clipper circuit, series negative clipper circuit with biasing. Okay, now next second types, parallel clipper circuit. In parallel clipper circuit, what happen, the diode is parallel to the load. Okay, diode is connected here and load is parallel to the diode, so these circuits are called parallel circuits. Similarly, parallel clipper circuit, there are 4 cases. One by one we will discuss. First one is parallel positive clipper circuit. In parallel positive clipper circuit, when during this positive cycle, okay, during this positive cycle, this terminal is plus, this terminal is minus, so the diode is in forward bias. Diode is in forward bias, so what happen, so current flowing through this, so current flowing through this diode, and at that time diode is in conduction mode, and so we get output here, so we get output is 0 because the diode is in conduction mode. So here if the diode is in forward bias, then we get output is 0 in parallel circuit. Okay, so this output is 0. Now for negative cycle, negative cycle is applied, then this terminal is minus, this terminal is plus, so the diode is in reverse bias, minus connected to positive and plus connected with minus. Okay, cathode. Okay, so what happened, this diode is in reverse bias, so this diode act as an open switch. So what happened, this open switch, so whole output voltage which is equal to the input voltage, because this is open. Okay, so output voltage which is equal to the input voltage. These are the parallel positive circuit. In that, positive portion of the cycle, positive portion of the whole cycle is skipped. Positive cycle of the whole portion is skipped. It is called parallel positive clipper circuit. Now second case is parallel negative clipper circuit. In that what happened, the direction of the diode is changed. Okay, in that for positive, during this positive cycle, the diode is in reverse bias, positive connected with minus, minus connected with positive. This connected in reverse bias, so this act as a open switch, so the output voltage which is equal to the input voltage, so we get output for this positive cycle. Here remember that in parallel circuit, if the diode is in reverse bias, then we get output. Okay, and in series circuit, if diode is in forward bias, then we get output. Okay, now for the negative cycle, if we apply the negative cycle, then this terminal is minus, this terminal is plus, so this diode is in forward bias, and due to this current flowing through this diode, but diode is in conduction mode, so output voltage we get output voltage is 0. Okay, so this is a parallel negative clipper circuit. Okay, now next third third case is parallel positive clipper with biasing. Parallel positive clipper with biasing. Here biasing battery voltage is connected V plus minus. Okay, so during this the battery voltage is V during this positive cycle. Okay, in that this terminal is plus, this terminal is minus. So due to this applied voltage, diode is in forward bias, and due to this battery, this plus terminal is connected with minus, so the diode is in reverse bias. So due to this applied voltage, diode is in forward bias, and due to this battery, diode is in reverse bias. Okay, so when battery voltage is greater than Vin, okay, in starting battery voltage is greater than the input voltage. Okay, so at that time this battery, due to this battery, diode it causes the diode is in reverse bias. Okay, plus and minus, so diode is in reverse bias, this plus connected with minus, so diode is in reverse bias, so this act as an open circuit. So we get output as a input, we get output which is equal to the input voltage. Okay, now the input voltage is increased, and V which is V in which is greater than V, then what happened at that portion, V in which is greater than V, input voltage which is greater than the battery voltage, then what happened, due to this input voltage is greater, so this input voltage causes the diode is in forward bias. Okay, and in forward bias, so current flowing through it, but due to this battery, okay, the output voltage which is equal to the battery voltage. Here remember that, okay, in parallel circuit, if the diode is in reverse bias, then current, if diode is in reverse bias, then it act as a open switch, and current we get output. Okay, and in series circuit, if diode is in forward bias, then we get output. Okay, so for this output voltage which is equal to the battery voltage, again the input voltage which is again input voltage is decreased, so at that time again input voltage is decreased, so input voltage is decreased, so what happened, this diode is in forward bias. Okay, and due to this battery, diode is in reverse bias. Okay, so due to this applied voltage, we get output here. Okay, like this. Now for the negative cycle, if the negative cycle is applied, then what happened, this terminal is minus, this terminal is plus, so the diode is in reverse bias. Okay, and due to battery also, the diode is in also reverse bias, positive connected with cathode, so at both condition diode is in reverse bias, so this act as an open circuit, so we get output is which is equal to the input voltage, so we get output like this. Okay, these are the parallel positive clipper circuit. In that also some portion of this positive part is skipped. Okay, now last case is parallel negative clipper with biasing. Okay, in that the direction of this diode and voltage are reversed. Okay, in that for positive cycle, this terminal is plus, this terminal is minus, so the diode is in reverse bias due to this applied voltage, and due to this battery voltage also diode is in reverse bias, minus connected to positive. Okay, anode terminal. Okay, so at both condition diode is in reverse bias, so we get output. Okay, so output voltage which is equal to the input voltage. Now we apply the negative voltage. When we apply the negative voltage, then what happen, when battery voltage V which is greater than, okay, at starting battery voltage is greater than input voltage. Okay, so battery voltage is greater than input voltage, so due to this battery the diode is in reverse bias. Okay, diode is in reverse bias, so we get output this is open circuit, but output voltage which is equal to the input voltage. Now input voltage is increased and which is greater than the battery voltage. Then what happen? This terminal is minus and this terminal is plus, minus connected to minus. So at that time diode is in forward bias, so current flowing through it. Okay, this is a short circuit. Okay, so output voltage which is equal to the battery voltage. Output voltage which is equal to the battery voltage. Okay, now again input voltage is decreased and again we get output is which is equal to the input voltage. Okay, so these are the parallel negative clipper biasing. In that what happen, some portion of the negative cycle is skipped. Okay, so this is called parallel negative clipper with biasing. Okay.